What is this called? Eagle. What is this called? Falcon. What is this called? Hawk. What is this called? Owl. What is this called? Parrot. What is this called? Pigeon. What is this called? Sparrow. What is this called? Crow. What is this called? Peacock. What is this called? Flamingo. What is this called? Seagull. What is this called? Stork. What is this called? Pelican. What is this called? Hummingbird. What is this called? Kingfisher. What is this called? Woodpecker. What is this called? Robin. What is this called? Blue jay. What is this called? Swallow. What is this called? Finch. What is this called? Canary. What is this called? Cardinal. What is this called? Dove. What is this called? Vulture. What is this called? Kite. What is this called? Raven. What is this called? Cuckoo. What is this called? Nightingale. What is this called? Crane. What is this called? Heron. What is this called? Duck. What is this called? Goose. What is this called? Swan. What is this called? Albatross. What is this called? Puffin. What is this called? Penguin. What is this called? Bat. What is this called? Swift. What is this called? Blackbird. What is this called? Magpie. What is this called? Rook. What is this called? Starling. What is this called? Mallard. What is this called? Cockatoo. What is this called? Cockatiel. What is this called? Toucan. What is this called? Macaw. What is this called? Budgerigar. What is this called? Quail. What is this called? Parakeet. What is this called? Osprey. What is this called? Harrier. What is this called? Kestrel. What is this called? Lark. What is this called? Goldfinch. What is this called? Wren. What is this called? Tern. What is this called? Sandpiper. What is this called? Gull. What is this called? Hornbill. What is this called? Ibis. What is this called? Egret. What is this called? Jacana. What is this called? Spoonbill. What is this called? Cormorant. What is this called? Frigate bird. What is this called? Petrel. What is this called? Kookaburra. What is this called? Gala. What is this called? Lorikeet. What is this called? Myna. What is this called? Shrike. What is this called? Bunting. What is this called? Titmouse. What is this called? Warbler. What is this called? Pheasant. What is this called? Turkey. What is this called? Ostrich. What is this called? Emu. What is this called? Cassowary. What is this called? Puffbird. What is this called? Roadrunner. What is this called? Hoopoe. What is this called? Scops owl. What is this called? Barn owl. What is this called? Tawny owl. What is this called? Snowy owl. What is this called? Harpy eagle. What is this called? Bald eagle. What is this called? Golden eagle. What is this called? Red-tailed hawk. What is this called? Cooper's hawk. What is this called? Peregrine falcon. What is this called? Kookaburra. What is this called? Lapwing. What is this called? Gull-billed tern. What is this called? Skimmer. What is this called? Tree swallow. What is this called? Purple martin. What is this called? Horned owl.